This is a brand new 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. This crossover has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, voice activation technology, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Hyundai BlueLink, aluminum wheels, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and satellite radio. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering Wiesner Hyundai for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. Our family-owned dealerships have been serving the Houston and Conroe area since 1972. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located on Interstate 45 at the Wilson exit in Conroe. We look forward to serving you.